Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to log into your Western University account online on your computer. And now let's dive right in. Now to log into your Western University account online on your computer, first open up your preferred browser, as I have already opened the Google Chrome, and in the search bar, click over there and type in Western University login. Like this, guys, I have typed on the search bar. At the search bar of the Google browser, you can type the same address over here and hit on enter on the keyboard, and you'll be directed to this page where you can see there it says the login to student center over here at the first result of Google. Click on there, and this kind of interface will appear where you'll be required to enter your user ID or your password of your student account on Western University. So in order to proceed, enter your user ID, whichever may it be, which you had created on Western or registered on Western University account, and after that enter your password over here. And after entering your user ID and your password, guys, simply click on the sign in button over here, and then you'll be logged into your Western University student account or your Western University account online on your computer. And there, guys, this is how to log into your Western University account. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.